18 years old, I was arrested. What's up, y'all? I'm about to do a story time. Alright, so the first story is gonna be about, let me turn this on. Okay, I got my eyebrows on, so those will be linked. Fake friends. So we're gonna give her the name Alexandra. So me and Alexandra were, I'm gonna do my makeup, obviously makeup story time. I've been friends since middle school, maybe, or like the beginning of high school, and we stayed friends until I graduated. Yeah, me and her had been friends for a little minute, so you know, once you get like a close friend, you start hanging out of school. So me and once you hang out, I'm gonna use black. I'm gonna smoke my eye out with some black. But once you start hanging out of school with somebody, it's a whole, I'm gonna just do the shape first, but it's a whole nother ball game than when you're, you know, hanging out in school, because you're limited about, you know, how long y'all can see each other. Anyway, one day me and Alexandra were at, I don't remember if it was at my house, her house, or my sister's house, but yes, I know we were sitting on the couch and she told me to do something on her phone. So I look at her phone and it's a lot of things going on, but one message in particular came through with my name on it, and I'm guessing she wanted me to get jumped, because it was like, I'm gonna tell her to go here and go there or do this and do that, and y'all can show up and I leave or record or some crazy stuff. So keep in mind, she don't know I know. Is your plan not working or something? Because I wasn't leaving the house. I'm not leaving the house. I don't have any intention to leave the house. I like being at home, especially during that time. It was just crazy time in my life. But I'm gonna take a little bit of brown and I'm gonna blend out this black. But yes, it was just a crazy time in my life where I really didn't want to be around people, and I just didn't want to go out. And first of all, I've never been a type to really go out. The only time I really went out was with Alexandra. She did something, I would go, but you know, everybody got their own people that they hang out with, and she was mostly the only person that I hung out with, because I guess I used to be an introvert, I guess is what you can call it. Here's another one. Okay, so I had this another friend, and her name is gonna be, oh, also Alexandra was the root to all the drama in my life. I'm gonna just say that. So the day I cut her off, some people was upset about it and was like, oh, what you gonna do, what you gonna do now? I'm going to live a life where I don't have to deal with bullshit coming at me left and right, when in reality none of it was my fault in the beginning. But so yeah, if y'all want more stories about Alexandra, y'all can leave a comment about that. But wasn't much hanging out after that. That was kind of the line. It was like a lot of BS that came with, you know, hanging out with her anyway, and a lot of nigga drama. Oh, a boy drama. Okay, I can tell you about how I used to do my eyebrows, and I can include pictures too. So I used to have my eyebrows thick, and when I say thick, them things used to be thick. I'm gonna put a picture up, but girl, that's how you know I ain't had no real friends. That when I say I never had no friends, that's what I mean. I'm just playing. Not only that, a couple more things, but girl, my friends let me come out the house like that. I must ain't had no real friends. I didn't conceal them and clean them up and make them skinny or nothing like that. I just left the house. And then there was a point in my life where I would do my makeup and I couldn't understand brows, so I literally wouldn't do them. So yeah, there's a point in my life where I didn't know how to put on lashes, and that point is now. I'm just playing, but I don't know how to put lashes on. I do, but I don't. It's hard. It's hard for me. I be trying. It's just hard. Oh, dating. Let's talk about dating. So I date somebody, and his name is, I'm not telling y'all. But I love him. I know that. I know I love him. And he's my baby. And he's treated me better than anyone's ever treated me. And I stand on it. I don't care what nobody says or claims. Yeah, no. I'm with the one that's treated me better than anyone has ever treated me in my entire life. And I'm gonna marry him. I already know that. Cause where he gonna go? I ain't gonna say much else. And it's crazy because I was working this stupid ass dating. Okay, so me and him met on Tinder. Ooh. Anyway, me and him met on Tinder. And it's crazy because I was working this stupid ass job. And I love working with the people, but it was just the supervisor, his bald-headed ass. I mean, his bald-headed self. He would never give me the respect I deserve. So, and first of all, the nigga didn't even know how to do his job. He didn't know how to do his job. All the paperwork that I had to take to him, he would have to give it to his another supervisor to fill it out for him and file it and all that stuff. He didn't know how to do that. He was just there. I'm gonna just say that he was just there. But so yes, I had broke my toe at that job, and it was my very first broken toe. I was so depressed. I was so sad. And then that's why I called it job shitty, because he was like, are you sure you can't come in? Are you sure you can't work? Because you've been out for yada 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 X amount of days. I'm not coming. I'm not coming. I broke my toe. Like, I can't walk. Like, I'm crippled. So, and that's crazy because I'm such a freaking workaholic. I was working like a 17-hour. I was literally working a 17-hour shift. I was working from 4 I was working from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 15 hours. I'm slow. But anyway, I was working all day. And when I say all day, I mean literally I was working all day. And I broke my toe around 11 because we had just gave them lunch. So I had broke my toe around 11. And so I worked like, I kept working. Like, you know, I was like, oh, I hurt my toe. And I was kind of limping around. And I kind of sat down and it was burning a little bit. But I was like, you know what, I'm just going to work. I'm like, you know. Then a couple hours later, I looked at it and it was changing colors. I'm like, hold on. I thought I just hurt it. Like, I just hurt it. But no, that thing was broke. And it was my first broke toe and I was working through it. But I had called my supervisor. Of course, he didn't come over there. So I was crook after I went to the doctor. I was just laying around and not doing much around the house. So I had got on Tinder. And all these niggas was like, okay, it was one dude, and he was like, you still can pull up though. Baby, I broke my toe on the right foot. I drive with the right foot. I'm already like, this pain is already, it's bearable, but I'm not finna put no dang on pressure on it to come see somebody I don't even know. You didn't even offer to come see me. But I'm gonna cut this with concealer. And so I was let me use this Morphe brush, even though it's for eyebrows, I don't care. But he was like, you don't come see me? I don't even know you. I'm not finna put no pressure on my foot. Yeah, it was a couple and I had like play iMessage games in my bio because yeah, I had like someone play iMessage games with me in my bio or whatever, and I was like bored, so I was like, play iMessage with me. And it was one dude, he played not one dude, a lot of dudes try to be slick. They'll play one game with me and then they was like, you wanna pull up? Blocked. Okay, you're blocked, sir. You don't even have to come back over here and see if I responded, because I didn't, because you're blocked. And gold flakes that I got from Amazon. I'm literally gonna chop them up, you know, as a friend, like, you know, as someone I thought I could trust. She was telling us about all my business, and then one day he was just like, look, this is what this girl's saying about you. Why are you still hanging out with her? And I'm like, how am I supposed to know if someone don't tell me? Like, I don't see her that much. She be on the road. Well, you know, when during the time I started driving, she started driving a little bit after. But, you know, because she be on the road. I be at home. I don't know what she's saying about me behind closed doors. Unless somebody come tell me. But, yes. I had so much drama in high school because of Alexandra. Like, literally, I put that on JC. But, yes, I've never had real friends in life. And I guess it's because I'm awkward. I am awkward, yes. I'm awkward. And I don't know what to say sometimes. And I don't know how to talk to people. But yeah, I had a couple of friends. But literally, all in all, I've never had any real friends in my life. Like, ever. No one who has stayed around and was like, oh, you know, we're friends and we're going to stay friends. Like, no. Nothing. I've always been like the last pick person. I've always been like the picked over person. Ooh, we need something to gossip about. Let's talk about her person. So, one person who has been there, and when he said he was gonna be there, he was there, stayed there, was stuck there, and ain't going nowhere. That's my boyfriend, and he means so much to me. He literally means. This is another one where y'all finna watch me literally struggle with lashes, because I have the hardest time putting on lashes. So, I worked at Taco Bell for 2 weeks. And let me tell you how I got this job. So, my friend's boyfriend, we gonna call her Paisley. So, Paisley's boyfriend was the manager at Taco Bell. So, oh, and let me tell you how this story went. I'm gonna tell y'all everything, because everybody got fake names. So, her name Paisley, so her boyfriend gonna be freaking LeBron was flirting with me. And Paisley had no idea. But I didn't want LeBron. Like, we won the same color. So, I didn't want LeBron. And, it was cold. And I had to come in and out the window. So, I was like cold. And I was like, man, I want to keep this window closed. It's so cold. Kill my supervisor. And I was like, he was like, you want to use my jacket? And I was like, sure. He was like, it's thick or whatever. So, I had his jacket on. So, he left because his schedule was different than mine. So he left or whatever, and then so it was just I had his jacket. I had no way to get in contact with him, so I was like, maybe he'll come to work and you know, be there or something, or leaving when I get there or something. I can get him his jacket or whatever. I ended up he didn't end up working with me like no more, so he never got his jacket, and it was just in my car. I ended up texting me and was like, can I have a jacket? I gotta do laundry, girl, yes, you can have his jacket. I've been trying to get his jacket to him. You come get it if you want it. So, and he got his jacket or whatever, and then he was kind of a little less wordy than he usually is. So I just thought nothing of it. I just thought I'd do my job. After that little encounter, him and his girlfriend was kind of like posting on Snapchat like some slick stuff. But first of all, I didn't even want him. Like, he's not the same color as me. I'm probably gonna highlight like with some gold chips right here just to be different, because I'm different. My little experience when I got up out of there. And there's one girl, we're gonna call her Samantha. Yeah, we can call her Samantha. This girl was so jealous of me because I like makeup. And then one day I had went somewhere, I don't know, but I had went somewhere and I had makeup on, and she was like, oh, you like makeup? And I was like, yeah. And she was like, well, I do makeup. And I was like, I just never seen you makeup on. I was like, you got some pictures on? No, I would have pictures of my makeup. It's on your face. When I do my makeup, I take pictures and make videos and TikToks and all that other jazz. TikTok down below. And so she was just real snappy and like, I guess jealous, because I did makeup. But like, I do makeup. That's what I do. That's what I enjoy doing. If anyone buys me anything in my family, they know makeup is taken here. as a form of payment. Or money for makeup. So I was like, you had to make up. So guess what she did the next day? This girl came in with a full face. I'm talking about this girl shifted from 9 to 5 and I came in at 4. So this girl was determined. Let me see her face. She kept that face on all day. And I was like, oh yeah, your makeup's cute or whatever. She was like, cute? I've been doing makeup for yada yada yada. I am 30 years old. Okay. So if I put something on my face and somebody else don't like it, that's just dumb. I'm just sitting here right now doing a little story and doing a little look. It might turn into something. I don't know yet. I doubt it. But just in here chit chatting. Cause it made me feel like I got friends. So I'm just gonna sit here and talk to y'all. But yeah, this girl literally was so intimidated by me that whenever, like, for like a week straight, she came in with a full face. So yeah, I'm done with that. That was fun. But oh, I'm gonna put some on kind of closer to in the corner. I have so many things I'm talking about in this thing on video, but I'm tired of it being just music. Like, I want to talk. Like, I want people to know my personality. Like, I want people to know the kind of person I am. I'm very random. I'm very not on topic-ish. But I do have moments where I say something. Ooh, no, I hate when it gets stuck in my eye. No. I mean, shoot. I don't know if I can cuss on here, so. Oops. I talked about fake friends, co-workers, school, high school. Okay. I don't want to talk about too much. I'm talking about everything right now. But it's just conversations I would have with my friends if I had friends, which I don't. So y'all are stuck listening to my eyes forever. But when I do TikToks, people love my creativity. So I'm always trying to create something. See, me and Lash is just, we're not friends. But yes, I'm finna drop the biggest story time ever. So at 18 years old, I was arrested. Hate to say it, hate to put it out there, hate to tell my business. I'm just playing. Everybody know. It don't matter. I spent one day in jail. It wasn't even 24 hours. But yes, that is a crazy, long, twisty, turny. You can't even imagine the outcome of that story time type of video. So I'll get into it, but you know, gotta get a couple of likes on this video. And whenever this video reaches, I want to say 100 likes, which is probably impossible for my little bitty channel. But yeah, you can tell your friends, you can share the video, you can copy the link, you can screenshot it, put on your story, whatever. If you want to know how I got arrested and what put me in that position and how I got in that predicament and who I was with and what we was doing and what was going through our head, let me know. Because when I say this video,